In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the upload blocked error on OneDrive. Now, we've all been there, dealing with the frustration of a blocked upload, so let's dive right in and fix it together. We'll begin by locating the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. This icon is typically situated at the bottom right corner of your screen, near the clock. You'll recognize it easily. It often looks like a white cloud on a blue background or sometimes just a solid blue cloud. Once you've spotted it, the next thing you'll want to do is right-click on the icon. This will bring up a menu with various options. From that menu, select the Settings option. Clicking on this will open a new window that allows you to manage various features related to your OneDrive account. If you're curious, feel free to explore the different tabs available here, but for now, let's stay focused on resolving the upload issue. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Account tab. This section contains all the critical account details, including available space and the email associated with your account. Most importantly for us, it shows the link status with your current computer. Within this section, you need to find the Unlink This PC button. Click on it. What this does is essentially disconnect your current device from OneDrive temporarily, kind of like hitting a reset button for the sync process. Rest assured, this won't delete any files from your cloud storage, it merely resets the connection. Once you've unlinked your PC, the following step is to sign back in. The OneDrive application will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Make sure you use the same credentials as before. After you've successfully signed in again, OneDrive will automatically attempt to sync your files. Give it a few moments to re-establish a connection and start the syncing process. Keep an eye on the situation to see if the upload error persists. Generally, this simple process helps clear out minor syncing issues, and your upload should proceed without any further trouble. However, if the issue continues, there's another method we can try out involving Office settings. Open any Office application, like Word or Excel, and go to the Settings or Options menu. Within these settings, look for a feature that allows you to manage how Office applications sync files. What you're looking for is an option titled Use Office Applications to Sync Office Files that I Open. Ensure that this box is checked. This setting often helps manage and resolve file syncing conflicts between Office applications and OneDrive. By following these steps, your OneDrive should be back to functioning correctly, free from any uploading hiccups. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.